In the previous lecture, we saw how we can create a sample project in Laravel. In this one, we'll be exploring the application structure that Laravel provides. First thing, views are stored in the resources directory and models are placed on the root of the app directory. Controllers are placed inside the app HTTP controllers directory, and config settings are stored inside the config directory. Assets are inside public folder, and unit tests should be kept inside the test folder. Application dependencies are inside the vendor directory, and application routes are defined inside routes/web.php file. The application main file is placed inside public directory as index.php, and this file is an entry point for our whole application. This file is also responsible of loading Laravel into memory. Now let's go ahead and explore these in the app itself. So here inside the resources directory, you'll see views over here, and then we have app directory over here, and you'll notice the models are kept in the root of the app directory. The controllers are placed inside HTTP controllers directory, as you can see over here, and the config settings are inside config directory. The public folder is responsible for hosting all the assets like CSS, JavaScript. It's also responsible for the index.php file, which is the entry point of the application. The routes is responsible for application routes, which we have over here in web.php file. Tests, as mentioned, are responsible for unit testing, and all the application dependency libraries are inside the vendor directory. The database directory contains migrations and seeds directory. Migrations is used for creating the database structure, and seeds directory is used to fill the database with test data. So this was a walkthrough of the Laravel application structure. We'll continue exploring more about Laravel in upcoming lectures.